Do you like to type without using your thumbs but only your voice? This is Percy and welcome to Team Products Online. Alright guys, so what you need to have installed is actually Google Board. So it's written Gboard. Let me type it in on Play Store for you. You type in Gboard, this one. Alright, so this is the application that we need. Let me update it real quick. So this app, you can use it to type using your voice, and it doesn't lag like those other keyboards. Like those other keyboards actually get the data from Google, then they incorporate it into their app and then let you type with your voice. So this Gboard, it is actually the database of it's actually getting the data direct from Google, because it's one of Google products. As you all know, Chrome is faster than 90% of all browsers. Why? Because it's a product of Google, and when you hit that search engine, it's actually fast than all other browsers. All right, so it's the same scenario here. We have the Gboard, which types using your voice, and it has about 80% accuracy. So let me wait for it to update, and I'll demonstrate it to you guys. So one thing I love about Gboard, you can actually use your own voice, but you may as well use a pre-recorded audio. And one of the downsides is that some languages, like those let's say French and the likes, they are still working on them. So you might have some problems as you are trying to use those ones. But if you are trying to use English, this app works actually a bit better than others. So let's just pick a random email to reply. All right, so right now we're going to use my voice to type, and then I'm going to play a pre-recorded audio and see if it picks up the words. Okay, so I'm sure you already have Gboard installed and enabled, and it is now your default input. All you need to do when you are typing, you just hit that mic button, and when it tells you to speak now, that's when you speak. Alright, so make sure you have internet, because it actually connects to the Google servers for you to be able to speak.